Hi, it's Cynthia, and today I'm going to be sharing with you Daria Trutneva's 4 steps on how to become successful. If I told you there was no cheat code to success, that would be a lie, because there is a cheat code to success, and that is the power of your subconscious mind. All successful people use the power of their subconscious mind, whether they know it or not. They use it to make decisions, and they use it to drive their behavior based on intuition and their inner truth. So let's take a look at these 4 steps by Daria Trutneva on how to become successful. Step number 1 is to understand and know your subconscious and how it works. You must get rid of your limiting beliefs. Your limiting beliefs block your goals. Once you align your beliefs to your goals, you will easily achieve success. This is the first and foundational step, and the rest build from here. Second, think about what you enjoy doing. What is it that lights you up, that gets you out of bed, that you're so excited to work on? What is it? What activities are those that bring you joy and give you energy? You must find those things, and you must do those things. Conversely, you must find the things that you don't like to do, the jobs, the tasks that drain your energy. Because if you continue to do these, they will continue to drain your energy, and no amount of monetary reward will make up for the emotional dissatisfaction you feel as a result of forcing yourself to do these things. The third step is to think about what amazing thing that you can bring to people, that they would be grateful for, that they would be excited to receive from you. What product, what service? Think about this every day until you find it. And the fourth step is to continue to grow and develop yourself in that area that you've chosen. What can you do to continue growing? Learn to be more specific, learn more about it, learn more about your product, learn more about your service, and continue to grow and develop in that area. Now, if this sounds simple, it is. Success can be that simple when it is powered by your subconscious mind. And remember that success, it's a journey. It's a path that you take. It's not a destination. So once you reach one thing, you'll want to get the next thing, something bigger, something better. Your viewpoint will change, and you'll want something different. This is the journey. This is the adventure of life, and this is the adventure of success. Once you find your things, you keep going. So to recap, the 4 steps are: 1, understand your subconscious. 2, find what you love to do. 3 is to find out what product or service you can provide that's in alignment with what you like to do. And number 4 is to continue growing and developing yourself in that area. Be sure to like this video if you found it interesting and useful. Subscribe to our channel to learn more about the subconscious and how you can achieve your own unique and genuine success. If you would like for us to make a video about your goal and how you can achieve your goal, leave it in a comment below and we'll make a video from it.